Hello and namaste. I'm Dilip Takal, founder and CEO of Veel, a member of the American Chamber of Commerce and a proud Nepali American. On the behalf of Veel, I extend heartfelt congratulations to the United States on the celebrations of our 250th National Day. This remarkable milestone reflects 250 years of leadership that have helped shape industries and economics around the world. As a company operating in user generated video content marketing and creator economy across the United States, Canada, and more than 121 plus countries around the world, we are grateful for the role that the US Embassy has played in supporting and nurturing the businesses around the world. As we continue to expand, we are excited to prepare for the launch of Veel in Nepal, creating new opportunities for content creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses. Today, as we celebrate this historic occasion, we also celebrate the power of collaborations and the values that continue to bring people and nations closer together. Once again, congratulations to all of us on our 250th National Day.